Okay, so today we're going to talk about division. Division is what we call an inverse operation for multiplication. What that means is it undoes whatever multiplication does. So if I multiply a number by 2, then to undo that multiplication I would then have to divide by 2. And so that's what we mean by an inverse operation. So division is an inverse operation for multiplication. So how does it work? So first of all, let's talk about some definitions. So the number that we're dividing is called the dividend. The number that is doing the dividing, or the number we're dividing by, is the divider. And the number that we get as a result of doing the division is called the quotient. Now in this case, it evenly divides, right? And what we talk about is that there's no remainder, right? So if there's no remainder, then it divides evenly. So 12 divided by 6 just gives us 2, so it divides evenly. But if we change this to 7, then we would get a remainder. So this would equal 2, and then plus a remainder of 1. Or excuse me, I'm sorry. I went the wrong way. So then the remainder here would be 2. Okay. So we'd have 2 left over. But that is what we mean by division. Now, symbolically, we can also rewrite this another way. So we could divide it this way. This is another way of writing it symbolically, the division. So again, this is the dividend. This is the divider, or excuse me, the divisor, I meant. I misspoke, I misspelled it. The divisor, dividend, and then this is the quotient. Okay. And then of course, if there's a remainder, that's what's left over, if it doesn't divide evenly. Okay. That's it all. Next video, we'll start getting into some examples.